Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom swag style valances that look professionally designed. Make scalloped, straight, or pleated curtain style swag valances. Fit any window size, shape, or design style. This easy to use valance kit includes reusable no-sew design forms used to make unlimited window valances and matching table accents, making it the perfect home decorating tool. Select fabric to match your decor, then fuse on backing and add lining. Position the design form on the fabric section and trace around the edges. Then simply cut along the traced line, iron on edge trim, and hang using a straight curtain rod. The straight pleated swag is made using contrasting fabric lining and is hung using a standard metal curtain rod. The scallop style swag will fit any window size, and the straight style is perfect for small or standard window sizes. Follow the easy steps outlined in our video tutorials to make your beautiful no-sew valances and matching table accents. When custom decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.